iBoss says there's nothing special about human intelligence to beat AI in trading stocks. Jan Szilagyi, CEO and co-founder of software firm Reflexivity, has shared interesting insights about the use of AI for trading stocks. In his appearance on CNBC's Squawk Box earlier today, Szilagyi shared that top hedge funds are using AI software as an add-on to their existing tools, and added that AI has already made several correct stock market predictions this year. The executive, whose firm develops analytical engines overlaid with large language model, LLM, interfaces, believes that with sufficient computing power and training, AI can overcome human intelligence regarding trading stocks. AI can replace human stock traders in 10 years, believes CEO Szilagyi. Started out his interview by sharing that Reflexivity's end goal is to build an autonomous investment analyst. In the process of doing so, the firm is currently providing technologies that enable investors to consolidate data from different sources under a single platform for streamlined decision-making. By asking the engine questions, users can rely on the engine to go and find the data and then run the analysis and reduce the time taken for such operations from 2 hours to 2 minutes, according to the CEO. He outlined that Reflexivity's current AI trading systems are designed to find parallels from the past to give you a sense of what the price pattern going forward could look like. These parallels can be based on 12 or 15 past episodes, the selection of securities, that will correspond to what you're looking for with regards to the current environment, or a set of economic or other parameters that could entice certain stock KS to deliver superior returns over others. Szilagyi's clients are primarily top hedge funds who are using this as kind of an intelligent overlay on top of all of the different data sources they have access to, he shared. He also explained in detail how I got several stock market trends right in 2024 and missed others. Szilagyi outlined that if you look at the market as a whole, so for example it very correctly called the peak in July, it very correctly called the false rally that we had right after that. After the peak, the AI again correctly called the bottom as well. However, the executive added that his software turned bullish little bit too early ahead of the Federal Reserve's latest meeting, following which the bank guided 2 interest rate cuts in 2025 as opposed to the earlier 4. Yet, Szilagyi doesn't believe that the model was wrong here either, since its outputs are always probabilistic assessments. According to him, these assessments are essentially the model saying, okay, 70% confidence this is what's gonna happen. There's still the 30% where it doesn't happen. When asked when I could completely replace humans in trading stocks, Szilagyi, rather controversially, stated that it's road to say that there's something so special about human intelligence that we should be better at trading. He believes that if you are able to give the system so much compute power and the intelligence continues to improve, at some point it's not crazy to think the systems will be better at trading than humans are. This leads him to conclude that when it comes to supplanting humans, the horizon we're probably looking at is somewhere between 5 to 10 years. Szilagyi added, it doesn't mean that it's going to replace it entirely, since some sectors, such as private markets, will be harder for AI to target due to the relative dearth of data for training.